Nearly 44% of the sitting MLAs across India have criminal cases against them, while 28% have a history of serious criminal cases including murder, attempt to murder, crimes against women. A new report released by the Association of Democratic Reforms has revealed. The report reveals that the 4,001 MLAs analyzed across the state assemblies, 1,777 44% have declared criminal cases against them. As many as 1,136, that is 28%, have declared serious criminal cases against them. While the Indian Penal Code does not define a serious criminal case, ADR considers alleged cases of crimes like murder, attempt to murder, kidnapping, crimes against women, etc. as such. At least 47 MLAs have declared cases related to murder under Section 302 of the IPC. As many as 181 MLAs have declared cases of attempt to murder under the Section 307 of the IPC. According to the report, 114 MLAs have declared cases related to the crimes against women, of which 14 MLAs have declared cases related to rape under the IPC Section 376.